ukuthi this Durban Network eduze kwami uzama abaningi bamazi ngomadongwe lapha kuzala sibingelela.
Ngiyanibingelela nami sanibonani nonke. Yeah.
Namhlanje uANC behlanganisa ama-artist la eCoastal Hotel. Kunomhlangano ekuthiwa wabakhona last year. Namhlanje bekulethwe impendulo. Are you happy with the response?
Singasho ukuthi si happy njengoba sihlezi siba happy kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uthola ukuthi izinto ekade si happy ngazo akusenzeki. Hopefully this time kuzokwenzeka ngoba siyacabanga ukuthi abantu babonile ukuthi i-art kahle kahle ibaluleke kangakanani nje ngingathi eSouth Africa ake ngikhulumele nje eSouth Africa i-art is very important. Without i-entertainment angikholwa ukuthi izwe lingaphila, angikholwa ukuthi izwe linganjena. So ngenxa yezithembiso esezenzekile nesizwile i-response ebuyile kuthina singasho ukuthi thina as ama-artists especially ase KZN si happy kakhulu.
Abanye bathi it was ama-elections so ngathi khona dlalwayo Paula khona.
Hayi singasho nje bakithi ukuthi kuhlezi kunjalo iqiniso lisho njalo ukuthi kuhlezi kukanjena noma ikuphi naphesheya noma ikuphi phesheya koyilwandle koMozambique kobani singathi emhlabeni wonke njalo mazoba nama elections vele yaba khona igame edlalwayo bese kuya dependa ke ekutheni mayisidlaliwe leyo game kukhona yini okuyiqiniso okuzophumelela. Into ke ithi yebo khona okuphumelelayo kodwa khona okunye okungaphumeleli. Hayi ukuthi akuphumeleli konke at all kodwa ke into enjalo nje ngiyakholelwa ekutheni ipolitiki igame yawo wonke umuntu. Yes.
Involved ku-art and kuhleze kune-cry that is out there whereby ama-artists ekhala ngokuthi ama-projects nama-programs asama-theatre kwi-television uhulumeni akasifaki isandla esingako. Mhlawumbe ke waba ne-victim ye-project ethile wawukholela ukuthi uhulumeni khona kufanele akufakwa ngakufaka.
Yeah. Sihlezi sama victims. Ngiyaba i-victim. Ama projects angafandiwe uhulumeni uthola ukuthi sekufanele uyiphumele wena uyoveza ubuso bakho bese ukwazi ukusizwa ubuso bakho. So isikhalo sethu silapho ukuthi uhulumeni siyacela ukuthi senze ubuso bethu bukwazi ukusebenza akabuthatheke nayo ubuso bethu abusebenzise asifande khona into esicela ukuyithola nathi ngoku-entertainer abantu because umsebenzi at the end of the day.
Yes. Yeah. Awucabangi yini kontekisho abantu ukuthi in the most critical areas of the art kakhulukazi mhlambe ama-leader nokufakwa khona ukuthi politician umuntu oclueless ngokuthi kwenzakalana ama-operations alapha akawazi. Awucabangi ukuthi lokhu kuyabulala mhlambe ama-programs wama-institutions athi
iyona into esibulele kakhulu leyo because umuntu ongenayo idea anyone nje who doesn't have a clue ngendaba ye-art or noma ngisho ngomkhakha wami example acting uzojaja ngama-feelings akazujaja nge-reality azujaja ngento ayibonayo in front of him or her uzojaja ngama-feelings uzoya ngokuthi uthanda bani and that is so wrong ngoba ngempela kuyayibulala i-industry. Yes.
So going to iska okay banikile time frame yokuthi mhlawumbe lento abayisho bazoimplementa ni
no i-time frame asiyitholanga. Hopefully kuzokwenzeka soon and very soon.
Ikuphi abakusho ngifuna ukuzwa abakusho ukuthi bathi no kuzoqalwa kanje
no they didn't say anything about ukuthi kuzoqala kanjena. The only thing esazi ukuthi kuzokwenzeka before my elections.
Thank you so much.